Refresh your mattress in 4 easy steps. Brooklyn, New York edition. Living in Brooklyn, New York, it's important to keep your home fresh, and that includes your mattress. Follow these simple steps to refresh your mattress and enjoy a cleaner, more comfortable sleep space. 1. Strip and vacuum. Remove all bedding and vacuum your mattress thoroughly. Use a handheld attachment to suck up dust, dirt, and allergens. This is especially important in busy Brooklyn, New York apartments, where dust accumulates quickly. 2. Deodorize with baking soda. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda across the entire mattress. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes to absorb odors. 3. Spot clean stains. Use a mix of mild detergent and water to gently scrub any stains with a clean cloth. For tougher spots, try a fabric-safe stain remover. 4. Flip and air out. Flip your mattress, if possible, and allow both sides to air out for a few hours. This ensures that it stays fresh longer. By following these easy steps, you can keep your Brooklyn mattress fresh and clean, promoting better sleep and a healthier living environment.